Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sign up or log in into Uber Eats. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end so you don't miss out on the important information. In saying that, let's dive in. First, go to your Play or App Store, type in Uber Eats, and then now click on Install, and then wait a few moments for that to download and install. Okay, once it is downloaded and installed, go ahead and click on Open. Click on Continue. Wait for it to load. And now here you've got a few options. You can add in your phone number or continue with Google, Apple, Facebook, yada yada yada. Pick which one best suits you. In my case, I'm going to continue with Google. I'm going to click onto that. Alright, I've picked out my Gmail, so I'm going to continue as Luke. Now it says signing you in or signing you up if you haven't got an account before. A few pop-ups may appear. I might even try that like that. Cancel that. Enable push notifications, so when your food is being delivered, you know how far or how long it's going to take to arrive. Allow, and then allow again while using the app. Okay, thanks for watching this tutorial until the very end. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.